It really tickles. Ew. It tickles a lot. I'm used to them getting stuck. Honest, they doesn't seem to be an issue. An issue today. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna. Ew. Oh, that was big. It really tickles a lot. I'm gonna. Ew. Okay, these are big. It's been a while since I've really. Oh no. Ew. Wow. Okay. Been a while since I've uploaded a lot, but no. Oh no. Ew. Excuse me. Oh, there's more. I thought I was done, but I guess not. I'll try to be better about. How about upload? Oh no, it's gonna be bigger than expected. Try to be better about uploading some more than I have been. Anybody has any requests? If they just let me know. Let me know. Good.